Here goes nothing. Might be just a little bit dusty. Can you let me in?
Cut down there as we're hitting from the side. If we cut there, we might just be able to carry on. It's boshing off quite easily, isn't it?
Yeah, all that came off really easy. It's just a teeny tiny bit messy in here. So again, because of the dust, I couldn't film much of knocking the actual wall down. But I've cleared 3 bags of rubbish. I've got 1 more to do, just of the last little bits. I don't know if you can see, yeah. We cleared this giant pile of rubble outside. We tried to limit the dust as much as possible with the dust sheet here, sheets over everything in that cupboard. Anything that was in the kitchen went there, covered up. And then it's too dark. And then we had another sheet here just to make sure that as little as possible went upstairs. Obviously some still did, some still went out there. We've trod it all over there. But it's not as bad as it was last time. So basically what we did is down this line and all the way to the ceiling, we cut with an angle grinder, or my mum cut with an angle grinder. And then she smashed out half and I smashed out half. I usually have to do the top half because I'm that bit taller than my mum. And it's a mostly neat line, just this little bottom bit didn't come out very neatly. And then she cut across again, and then we smashed it out brick by brick, and it all came out pretty neatly. Looks good. And then we just smashed off some last bits, and it doesn't need to be super neat because we're going to be putting a washing, that's why we've left this little bit of wall. We're putting a washing machine here, which will have like a counter over top, and we're going to build it up a little bit with bricks, but we thought we'd knock it too low than knock it too high and have to do it again when there's a washing machine in here. So yeah, I'm just going to clean up the rest of this. That is where our cooker, well, that's our cooker and that's our fridge, but they're going to be like swapped places. The cooker's going to be here and the fridge is going to be here. Then we have to complete that wall and do the flooring and stuff. And our plug is just sitting here like, this is still wired in, this would work. I could charge my phone off of this. But it's just hanging there because it was attached to the wall above. And then we have nowhere else to attach it to. We did actually have it hanging off of a pin up here, but it just kept falling down. But it's gonna go like there for the washing machine. Almost there.
stone.
I don't know how to do anything.
Just not on it, not a hand on it.
Oh, nice one. Fit.
You're fucking only wearing socks. So we put up the plasterboard in the kitchen and now we're doing the hallway. I don't know about you, but I think I prefer the before. This part. You don't think that looks better than that?
I'm going to go with no, not really.
It's so ugly.
Finder for
Before?
those nice steel rods.
I'd say definitely need
After.
one for that. But we have one, so it's fine.
Yeah.
This is the current state of our chair with all of our books on it because they were here. This will look so good in comparison to like this one, this one, and that one. I can't wait to get them all done and paint it. We want to do like a mural up here. I'm buzzed. So Lauren's building one of our kitchen cupboards. We had to buy one to see where the horizontal struts on the wall are going, because obviously they stand on legs but they also hang on the floor. But we did forget to buy the legs, so that's fun. So you've got both sides on.
Yep, and the bottom.
And the bottom. And then have you got to put a top on, or is the countertop the top?
The countertop is the top, I believe.
Has it got a door and stuff though?
Yeah, it's got a door.
Not on my plants.
Would you give me a second? Jeez Louise.
I think our countertop is going to look really nice in our really nice, organised, beautiful kitchen. Look at this stunning kitchen.
Could you push it on the other side of it?
If only we'd remembered to actually get the legs. Wouldn't this be a good Kaya crate? Oh, Gromit's gonna test it. What's in there? What's in there? That's the kitchen cupboard. You can't get in there. So Lauren's got all the shelves in and everything, just got to do the door. It's actually deeper than I thought. It looks really deep. And then we just chose to get the plain, I think they're called I can't even pronounce them. So this is the name of the door we got and the serial number, and we just chose the plain white one. We don't like doors that have like detailing. We wanted it all to be flat, but we didn't want gloss. So it's just this like normal white door. And it looks really glossy because of the shadow, but it's not. So Lauren just finished making our cupboard. so nice. We obviously need to get handles and legs. Right now it's rested on 2 pieces of wood. But it's obviously going to have like a wooden countertop. And then we're going for black handles. Oh, I'm very excited. So I'm just going to be switching out these white handles for this multi-pack of like smaller matte black handles that I got from Amazon. But you can get them on eBay or anywhere really. I just thought it would make it look a bit nicer. I've wiped down the unit, but it still looks a bit grubby. I think it needs a repaint. So the first 4 are done. Annoyingly, each of the handles come in these tiny individual packets, so you have to undo every one. It's a lot of plastic waste. I don't understand why. You would have each, like, even each screw comes in a separate thing. But they were a bit wobbly in the thing, so I've put... They were a bit wobbly in the thing, so I've just put 2 washers behind them to make it a bit more sturdy, and it's all good. But now I have to take all my underwear out. I love the difference between Lauren's bedside table and mine. Mine, skincare, a plant, water, a fan. Lauren's, cracker and chocolate. That's all you need, Lauren. Crackers and chocolate. I can see your bum.